This news is brought to you by भारत भारती सीनियर सेकेंडरी स्कूल फॉर साइंस आर्ट्स एंड कॉमर्स ढालपुर कुल्लू। पहाड़ों पर प्राकृतिक तौर पर पाया जाने वाला बुरांश का फूल अब कोरोना जैसी महामारी की रोकथाम में अपनी अहम भूमिका निभाएगा। आईआईटी मंडी और ICGEB यानी इंटरनेशनल सेंटर फॉर जेनेटिक इंजीनियरिंग एंड बायोटेक्नोलॉजी के शोधकर्ताओं ने बुरांश के फूल पर गहन अध्ययन करके ये पाया है कि इसके फूल से बना अर्क शरीर में कोरोना वायरस की रोकथाम करने में काफी ज्यादा कारगर साबित हुआ है। 2 वर्षों तक चले शोध में इन्होंने पाया कि बुरांश के फूल में फाइटोकेमिकल पाया जाता है, जिससे बनने वाले अर्क से कोरोना वायरस की रोकथाम संभव है।
Based on our in silico studies and lab-based antiviral assays, we hypothesize at least 2 modes of action of the rhododendron petal phytochemical extract. First is it blocks or slows the viral entry into the host cells, and second is it potentially inhibits or slows down the viral replication or multiplication. The phytochemical analysis clearly highlighted the presence of molecules that are reported to also have potential as antivirals against a range of viruses such as influenza and SARS. You can see supplementary table of our manuscript. In vitro assays of R. arboreum petals hot water extract confirmed dose-dependent reduction in SARS-CoV-2 viral load in infected Vero E6 cells with IC50 of about 173 microgram per ml. This is promising, and our findings support the urgent need for further scientific studies aimed at finding specific bioactive drug candidates from R. arboreum, in vivo and clinical trials against COVID-19. The exciting part is that these beautiful and red rhododendron arboreum petals, locally called as buransh, is already consumed in various forms as squash, decoction since centuries. We formulated a herbal mix rich in rhododendron petals along with other immune booster herbs that are researched in the medicinal plant lab and botanical garden of IIT Mandi. More work is ongoing. We welcome industries keen on collaborating with us to jointly take this forward. We are carrying an exciting project on profiling of phytochemicals from Himalayan biodiversity for therapeutic and nutritional applications. Our hunt for natural molecules from 20 plus plant sources led us to the phytochemical rich petals of rhododendron arboreum as a potential candidate against COVID-19 targets. Our phytochemical profiling studies on the hot water petal extracts of rhododendron arboreum, locally also called as buransh, highlighted it to be rich in quinic acid derivatives and other molecules that have potential to act synergistically as antivirals, as evidenced via computational studies first. With help of Dr. Ranjan Nanda and Dr. Sujata Sunil, our collaborators from ICGB New Delhi, we showed this extract have antiviral potential in vitro against SARS-CoV-2.
दिव्य हिमाचल टीवी के लिए मंडी से विप्लव सकलानी की रिपोर्ट। भारत भारती सीनियर सेकेंडरी स्कूल in association with Nalanda Career Institute invites you to experience the most efficient teaching by joining integrated courses in NEET, JEE and NDA. दिल्ली और कोटा के बेहतरीन अनुभवी टीचर्स और IITMs की ये एसोसिएशन आपको सफलता की ऊंचाइयों पर ले जाने में पूर्णतः सक्षम है। We also offer foundation courses for class 8th, 9th and 10th. Bharat Bharti Pre-Nursery to 10+2 in association with Nalanda. Contact us 98161 36900 70183 11044.